this session is purely about the basics. I'm not going to talk about these hi-fi things. So, one of the trainees find difficult is passing the pylorus D1 D2 because as safe as the gastroscopy, but you have to be careful because the stiff distal end. So I'm in the D1 area. Have a look on the screen. So you see the D1, but actually it's like the shape of a ship. The nose of the ship is a bit forward than actually where the glasses of the ship is. So the tip is actually engaging already into that one. So here what I do is I keep this one, even though I got the vision right at the junction of D1 D2, but the tip is already gone beyond. So look at this, and look. What I'm going to do the maneuver here. Look at me now. Turn this side. So what I'm doing is you keep this. Always keep the finger on this. Don't push anything at all. And then I use the pressure of the. You have a look on the screen how it goes forward. Okay. So I just move my body. Look on my side again. I move my body to that side, and then slightly turn the wheel like this and pull backwards rather than pushing it. It will reach where it needs to reach. This is for D2 session. Okay, just like ESCP, but slightly different. Okay. Don't push here at all. This is my advice. And then I'm only maintaining that torque and then pulling back by this. You'll be very, very safe. Look at that. Gentle movements. You don't wake up the patient. Okay. And look at my screen. Look at my body language here. So I just hold. So never use any torque on here. Only when you're actually interrogating, you do that. So I'm pulling back. This is here, and then have a look at the screen there. So it's so that's how you get there. And then you do the kissing ampulla technique from here. Okay. So don't lock the wheels here, just like ERCP, which I don't recommend.